Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about something super important: why teenagers should start making money now. Whether you're saving for college or a car or just you want some financial freedom, this video is for you. Let's jump into the 6 basic reasons why learning to make money early is gonna change your life. So the first reason is financial independence. First up, financial independence. Relying on your parents for every little thing gets old fast. So when you make your own money, you can buy what you want when you want it without begging for any allowance. Plus, it feels so amazing to earn your own cash. Secondly, it also builds real world skills. Why do I say this? It's because school teaches math and history, but not how to make money. So learning side hustles like freelancing, selling stuff online, or even tutoring gives you skills most adults wish they had earlier. So you learn negotiation, marketing, and time management as all keys to success. So the third reason is prepares you for the future. The earlier you start, the better off you'll be. Imagine graduating from high school with savings or even a small business. Most millionaires started young. Why not you? Future you will thank present. The future you will thank your present you for getting ahead. Making money isn't just about cash. It's about confidence. When you earn your own money, you be and you learn responsibility, decision making, and the value of hard work. No more feeling helpless. You will know you can handle whatever life throws at you. So the fifth reason is more opportunities and networking. Why? It's because money making opens doors, whether it's meeting mentors, landing internships, or even starting a YouTube channel. The connections you make now can set up you for your early life. The best opportunities go to those who take action early. The sixth reason is it avoids the broke college mentality. So why do I say this? We have all seen the broke college student memes. Don't let that be you. If you start earning now, you can save up, invest, or even have passive income by the time you're in college. No, and you will actually stop making the ramen noodles every night. You get what I'm trying to say? So, what's stopping you? Start a side hustle, sell your skills, or even learn investing today. Drop a comment below. What's your money making plan? And if you found this helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get you on path to success. See you in the next episode. Thank you.